Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Nusharaf Firoz. Subject teacher computer. Dear students, today we are going to learn a practical that is based on the Microsoft Word, and in last lecture we also learned a practical that was based on Microsoft Word, but in last lecture we studied about, dear students, in last lecture we studied about strike through and subscript. Subscript and strike through both features were learnt by us in last lecture, and in today's lecture we are going to learn two features in this practical. Number one is subscript. The shortcut of subscript is Control plus Shift plus plus. So there are two types of the subscript. Number one is baseline. Number second one is power line. So in last lecture we learned about baseline, and in today's lecture we will learn about power line and change the sentence case. So dear students, first of all we are going to learn about subscript that is used to create small letters above the line of the text. So dear students, sometime in mathematical equations we put the powers on the numbers. So in computerized formation we need to put the powers on the numbers. So there is a technique or feature that enables us to put the powers over the numbers. So dear students, for example, you want to type 9 dear students, for example, you want to type 9 power 2. So there is a problem, there is a matter to assign the power to any number. For example, we have typed here 92. It means in this formation we can say that this number is 92, but we want to assign 2 as the power of 9. So we will select 2 and we will go to the home tab and click on the subscript 2. Subscript 2 that is used to assign the power on any number. So dear students, first of all we will select the number that we want to assign as the power on any number. Later on we will click on subscript, so your select number will be used as the power. So dear students, you saw that in first this number was known as the 92, but we wanted to assign 2 as the power of 9. So we select 2 and go to the home tab and click on subscript that is used to create small letters above the line. So dear students, sometime in mathematical equations powers are assigned to the numbers. So this one feature enables us to give the or to assign a number as the power of any number. Okay dear students, now we are going to learn about change the sentence or sentence case. So dear students, here we have typed a paragraph or we have defined a software and gave a name. or the types. So dear students, you can see that a set of instructions given to computer to perform a specific task is called software. There are two types of software. Number one is application software. Second one is system software. So dear students, we are going to concentrate on change the sentence or change the case. So dear students, you can see that here double A is present, so this case is known as the change the case. This feature or this technique enables us to change all the selected text. This one feature enables us to change all the selected text to uppercase, lowercase or other common capitalized case. So dear students, you see that here I have typed a sentence or the definition of software, but the description of this paragraph or the description of these lines are in sentence case. It means in sentence case, initializing letter of the first word is in capital form. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो फीचर होती है ये हमारे इस काम में मदद करती है. अगर हमने एक पैराग्राफ टाइप किया है, उसमें हमने फर्स्ट जो लेटर होता है किसी भी सेंटेंस का वो कैपिटल रखते हैं, बाकी पूरा सेंटेंस स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स में लिखते हैं. लेकिन ये जो फीचर होती है वो हमारी मदद करती है स्मॉल लेटर्स को कैपिटल में कन्वर्ट करना या कैपिटल को स्मॉल में कन्वर्ट करना, या हर एक जो वर्ड होता है उसका फर्स्ट जो लेटर होता है वो कैपिटल हो, बाकी सारे के सारे स्मॉल अल्फ़ाबेट्स में हो. तो जब हमने when we have typed a paragraph, जब हमने एक पैराग्राफ टाइप किया है and we want to change its case. For example, in this paragraph, a set A is typed in capital alphabet and remaining spellings of each word is typed in small capital. So dear students, if you want to change the case, you will click on change the case feature and you will click on the uppercase. So dear students, as you will click on the uppercase, all the material, all the words, whatever we have typed in this description will be converted into capital letters. So dear students, we will click on the uppercase. Okay dear students, you saw that first description was typed in the small letters, but the initializing letter of the newly sentence was typed in capital, but in this case we converted it into capital letters. Okay dear student. Secondly, if you want to convert all the letters, all the words into lowercase, you will click on the change the case feature and a menu is appeared here and you will click on lowercase. As you will click on the lowercase, all letters will be converted into small alphabet. Okay dear students. Secondly, if you want to convert or change each letter of the first letter of the each word in capital letter. So when you will click on the capitalize each word, it means your first letter of a word, the first letter of each word will be capital and remaining spell of each word will be in small alphabet. So dear students, you will click on capitalize each word. Okay, dear students, you see that a set, a is capital and in the spell of set is capital of O of F, O of is capital and F is in small alphabets, and in the spell of instruction I first letter is in capital and remaining spell of instruction is in small alphabet. So dear students, this feature enables us to change the case. So dear students, similarly you will click on change the case. There is last option, that is toggle case. Toggle case means the first letter of each word will be in small alphabets and remaining letters will be in capital letters. So let's apply this feature. Okay. Dear students, now we are going to convert this paragraph into sentence case. Sentence case means first letter of sentence will be capital and remaining all sentence will be in small alphabets, as we usually type or describe or write in our daily life. So we will select the text and click on the sentence case. Okay dear students, so this one feature is used to change the case. So dear students, we have performed a practical based on change the case and based on subscript. Okay dear students. So dear students, your lecture is ended here and your homework is that you should repeat your same practical that I have performed here. Same practical you will have to perform at your home PC, and whatever difficulty you feel, you will send me in voice message on our WhatsApp group, and if you are not approached to this practical, secondly this practical will be revised. But if you have understood this practical, once a time you should practice on your home PC and send me its report in voice message. Okay dear students, if there is suitable to send me your practical in soft copy on our WhatsApp group, even you are said to send me your result or output of this practical that you do at your home and send me on our WhatsApp group. But simple your homework is that repeat this practical at your home. Okay dear students, so our lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5.